Today, we're zeroing in on Linea, one of the most watched new Layer 2 launches in the crypto space. After the airdrop hype and major exchange listings, the market is buzzing. Here's what's going on, why it matters, and where this token might head next. Current market snapshot. Linea is trading around 24 cents, with market cap near $380 million, and 24-hour trading volume north of $500 million, which shows a huge burst of liquidity and activity right after launch. Big listing and exchange moves. Binance just added Linea to a slew of services. It's listed on their Earn, Buy Crypto, Convert, Margin Trading, and Official Perpetual Futures 1 to 50 times leverage for Linea/USDT and Linea/USDC live this week. This means huge accessibility and speculative fuel for traders. What's behind the pullback right after listing? Linea dropped about 22% as many airdrop recipients sold tokens. 15.5 billion tokens were unlocked at once, applying strong sell pressure. Tokenomics and supply structure. Circulating supply at launch is around 15.48 billion Linea, about 21.5% of total supply. Additional allocations for marketing and ecosystem development are locked and scheduled for later unlocks. This helps balance short-term chaos with long-term upside if demand holds. Short-term price forecasts. Analysts expect Linea to trade in the 0.05 to 0.15 range in the early hours and days, post-listing under modest conditions. In bullish or hype-inflated scenarios, people are calling for potential spikes toward 50 cents, though those would require strong demand, deep liquidity, and limited sell pressure. What could drive it forward? Continued institutional exposure via Binance and derivative markets. Community buzz and FOMO around Layer 2 scaling narratives, Ethereum congestion and gas fees are still major pain points. Developer adoption and real utility across DeFi and NFT dApps built on Linea. Risks to keep an eye on massive token unlocks and airdrop sell pressure could trigger downswings if holders decide to cash in. High volatility. New listing tokens often swing wildly. Macro market conditions and regulatory risk might sap momentum quickly. Linea is now live, and it's got traction, but it's still volatile and speculative. In the short term, watch for resistance at 0.05 to 0.10 if buyers step in. If sell pressure intensifies or broader markets pull back, we could see dips toward 0.02 to 0.03. Long-term upside toward 0.50 plus is possible, but by no means guaranteed. What do you think? Will Linea break above 0.10 soon, or is this just a pump ahead of a correction? Drop your thoughts, hit like if this was helpful, and subscribe if you want another deep dive on technicals, competition, or risk scenarios.